Today we'll talk about how can you add remote control on your TeamViewer app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on show intro here, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down, you click here on get start here. So then here automatically here it's going to add with you here to remote control, but I have no remote connect with my app. But if you have it, you just click on it here, then it's going to get started with you to get remote control. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.